Hello and welcome students. This is SHIVANGI DHAWAN. In today's video, we will be discussing the PMT function. In our previous videos, we understood certain built-in functions in Excel spreadsheet like present value function, future value function, net present value function, and sum function. Today, we will be understanding a new function that is PMT, also known as payment function. So basically, the PMT function calculates the payment for a loan that has constant payments and a constant interest rate. Whenever the amount of deposit is paid back in equal installments, it is the annuity payment or PMT. To find out the amount of an annuity, the PMT function is used. And here is the syntax of this function. So whenever you start this function, it will ask you the following items. That is the rate, number of periods, present value, future value, type. These square brackets means future value and type are optional, only to be used when the information is given regarding them in the question. So here, let's understand this question with the problem. Mr. Dinesh deposits rupees 5 lakh on his retirement in a bank, on which interest is provided at the rate of 10% per annum. How much money in equal installments can be withdrawn annually for a period of 10 years? So, solution of this question will begin by entering the critical data. So, in this question, we understand that we have a present value of rupees 5 lakh, which Mr. Dinesh deposits now. Rate is 10%, years is 10, and number of period is automatically 10, as the compounding or is the mode that is given to us is annual. Now, here, if you read the question again, you understand that you are asked to calculate the annuity amount, right? The installment amount, the equal installment amount that you will be withdrawing annually for a period of 10 years so that you can pay back your loan. So for that purpose, you will be using PMT function. So is equal to PMT, start the bracket to activate the function. Rate is 10%, number of period is 10, present value is 5 lakh, insert a negative sign in order to get a positive value. Similarly, just like we did in present value and future value functions, FV is not given to us, we'll take 0, and in type also by default we are taking 0 as nothing is mentioned about the end or beginning. Once you are done with all the cell referencing part, enter this and you will get your installment as 81,372 rupees approximately. So basically, this is the equal installment that Mr. Dinesh will be withdrawing annually for a period of 10 years. Okay, so I hope you understood the use of PMT function, the inbuilt function in Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for watching.